HIT-NOT is the world's most precise collision avoidance system and pedestrian alert system available on the market.
So the personal alarm device that the pedestrian wears, unlike the RFID tags and things like that, you can actually turn your back on an RFID tag and you can blind it where it can't see you. It is also a different application than you see with RFID. It's a low frequency magnetic field tuned at precisely 73 kilohertz each unit.
So the fields are adjustable on the forklifts, all the way down from about 15 feet all the way up to about 65 feet. And those are very precise. They're not like, say, an RFID signal or an ultra-wideband signal that they're high frequency, so their signals are very reflective. So they tend to bounce around. They can't penetrate objects because they will bounce off of them. So just being able to see through those solid objects and the preciseness of the field makes this system far superior.